I'd like to demonstrate for you our new Think It Through tile system, new for this fall, that will challenge your child, that will help with their reading, math, and spelling skills. So let's get started. The tile system comes with a set of 10 tiles, numbered 1 through 10, that fit into this plastic case. It also comes with various cards that you can purchase. We have a Math 1 set, a Math 2 set, we have a reading set, and a spelling set. Okay, each of these sets comes with 50 cards. So you can see there's 50 various cards in here that progressively get more challenging for the child. Each card either has an arrow pointing up or an arrow pointing down, and that tells you what type of card it is. When the arrow points up, not only does it tell you how to insert it into the case, but the arrows that point up tell you that this is a matching card, and the arrows that point down tell you this is a question and answer card. So depending upon how you want to teach your child, you would use the appropriate cards. So let's get started with the matching. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take all of the tiles out of the tile system. So let's go ahead and take those out. And then you're going to take the card, and I'm going to take this matching card, and the arrow points up. So I'm going to insert that into the case from the bottom all the way up until it locks into place. In the upper left-hand corner of each square, there's a number, and you can see they go 1 through 10, and that tells the child which numbered tile to place on that square. So I'm going to go ahead and put my numbers here on the various spaces. This is also great just for, number recognition. So once I have all of my tiles in, I'm just going to do what the card says. This one says find the missing letter. Remember the card, the arrow pointed up, so this is a matching one. So I'll take my number 1 off, and this is the number 10, and I'm missing the letter N. So I'll take my number 1 tile and find the N down here on the bottom and place my tile on it. You'll continue to work through. Here I'm missing the C for cat. Here I'm missing the K for kid. Kick. So this one actually I'm missing 2 letters, the CK sound, the K sound, the net, the sun, the rat, doing a dig here, men, and then the last one would be cup. Now to see if you got it right, the child will simply close the case up, it locks into place. You'll pull the card out, turn it over, and you'll turn your case over. And if the pattern on the back of the card matches the pattern on the back of your tiles, you know you got it right. It's also great for preparing the child for early test taking. Now the cards that have the arrow that point down, you would still start it the same way. You take out all the tiles, and instead of inserting the card from the bottom, you're going to turn the case around and you're going to insert the card from the top. Okay, and it's only going to fit in this far, and that allows you then to place your tiles, your numbered tiles, down here at the bottom, 1 through 10. So let's go ahead and put a couple of them in here. So I'll put 3 of them in here, but you of course would put them all in. Now this one is a question and answer card. So the first one here has 5, 10, 15, and I'm missing the 20 because I'm counting by 5s. So my number 1 tile I would take and find the 20 and place it on the 20. And so on until I had the whole tray filled out. And again, I would simply close up the tray, turn it over, and make sure my pattern on the back matches the pattern that would be on the back of the card. Now one thing to point out is that the cards do have a little help guide in the upper corner. So for example, here's 2 of my math cards. This one has a ladybug, and you can see there's 4 bubbles here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The number 20 is lit up in the 3 spot, so I know this is a level 3 card, number 20. Here's a caterpillar, and this has 2 levels, 1 and 2. And the 13 is lit up on the 2nd level. So what that tells you is what from the back of the box, there's a little key to that. So my level 3 card, which is what I had in the ladybug, was number 20. That tells me that it's going to cover the numbers 0 through 30 on that particular card. My caterpillar was a level 2, and it was number 13. So that tells me that's going to cover numbers 0 through 1,000 and fractions. We also have division, multiplication, tons of different ways for your child to grow and learn with our Think It Through tile system. We know you're going to love it. You can purchase the tiles separately, or you can purchase them all together as a set and save a few bucks. Think it through.